In the middle.
The children in 6P are attempting their STEAM approach using the science, technology, education, measurement. We're going to apply the STEM approach, right? So we are designing an aeroplane based on that model. And see, they are doing it. They find the center and they're doing their thing.
Then you
Just follow the folds on the design here. We're going to see, look back on the design here on the thing and so make sure you get it right. And then now, after we finish our airplane, we're going to do testing and measurement. We will fly our plane to see whose plane go the farthest and measure and do our table. All right? All right, and they're helping each other because that's what we do in 6P. We help each other. Yes? Explain what you're doing.
Alright. After you fold it like this. And then you'll like to fold with the line.
Okay.
And there's your paper airplane.
But it's guess what now? It's all in the testing of it. We're going to go outside and fly plane. We're going to go downstairs and fly plane. Alex, your plane finished? You feel? No, man, don't give up. Try again. Somebody help me. What next? Follow. Look at that. Janaya, help Odin.
I'd like to help everybody I can.
We're going downstairs to test our plane.
Yes, miss.
So how many wings? Miss, there is no wings. We are speech children. We're supposed to do some measuring, right? But remember, we're applying the STEM approach. We're supposed to, from where we're standing, measure to where we fly the plane. From here to wherever the plane is, that's the one we use our meter ruler and measure our tape measure and measure to see how far. So based on the design, we will see whose plane go the farthest.
So these will help us fly. Right here.
So I'm gonna go for the meter ruler. Carry the meter ruler from Nakisha. It's at the back of the max car. Damn. Don't want them from far. Come and do it again. Ready? And he's finding the center line. Yes, man, young designer, young physicist. This is all in the game of physics in the children. So you want to design a plane when you get big. When you get older, you can go become a physicist. Yeah, but you have to measure. You have to know how to measure. You have to know how to measure. And you have to design. And you have to design the plane in such a way. Right, you see? For zoom up and see all of that. Man, young designer.
Wait, what else him do after him do this?
Watch and learn.
Yeah.
So much more steps, some things that is
That's
alone and
even
we're
to
done.
look and the
Seriously? No, you put it that right.
Thank you very much.
just you know who physics was saying.
Come.
Come on, seal it.
Yeah.
Sailing.
Alicia, ready. Don't take it away, measure.
3, 2, 1.
One person, yeah. And then lift your hand high up against the wind.
Your turn.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Ready. What am I gonna measure?
Make sure measure.
So this is where I was standing. Come my boys, come and measure. See how much
1 meter.
Ready, 1 meter. Put the foot behind.
Pick it
Behind.
Pick it up.
Your foot is taking out. Hold on.
Put
Behind.
behind.
Behind. Take out some of it. Put your foot here. Behind. In line with it. With the meter. Down in line with the meter, girl. In line with the meter. Then you lift up and start now again.
3
Meters. Plural.
Come, somebody put them forward.
Alright, yes, so there is one foot.
Somebody put them
Come. Somebody put them forward. My one got higher.
Oh, no.
How many meters you counting?
6 meters, miss.
Or maybe not fully, but hear that number. We can just round it off. Round it off and say 6 meters. We have to start at the same area. Alright, so the first attempt, which pen give me 6 meters? So this pen gives 6 meters. We're gonna try it again. Make him try it and multiply it. Alright, let us see this so that plane give us 6 meters. I was standing right here, further down.
Zaina, move with the frame.
Remember the measurement. Remember the measurement. So we see if we can then go further.
5. That class 6 man, about 8 that.
6 meters.
7.
About 10 meters, 12 meters. 8 meters. 8 meters. 7, 9.
9 centimeters.
That's a
No,
man.
finish that.
Oh, that's the plane. Wow.
9 meters. 10 meters. 10.
10
It's my turn.
Meters.
Science and technology. From that little higher man. Up higher above. You want to measure that? So much. Okay, we're standing.
1 meter.
Keep the ruler straight. That's an hour for every boy. STEM approach, science and technology, and measurement, and engineering, and all these things. Eight. Not bad, so we measure 6.
Yeah, the bit.
We measure 6 feet.